Today we're going to multiply radicals that are binomials. The steps for this is to just use the distributive property twice to multiply the radicals and then simplify. So here we're going to do 3 square root of 5 times the square root of 5 first to get 3 square root of 25. Then we do 3 square root of 5 times the square root of 4 to get 3 square root of 20. Next we do square root of 2 times the square root of 5 to get the square root of 10. And finally square root of 2 times the square root of 4 to get the square root of 8. Then we're going to simplify our radicals. 3 square root of 25 simplifies to 15. 3 square root of 20 simplifies to 6 square root of 5. The square root of 10 does not simplify, so it's just the square root of 10. And then square root of 8 simplifies to 2 square root of 2. None of these can be combined, and so this problem is finished. For our next example, we're going to add in a negative. So again, we're going to distribute twice. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 2 times the square root of 3 is 2 square root of 3. Square root of 3 times negative 1 is negative square root of 3. And square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9. So all we got to do is simplify our radicals. Negative 2 doesn't simplify, we just bring it down. We combine these two middle terms, and 2 minus 1 gives me just 1 square root of 3, and the square root of 9 is 3. We can simplify this one more time with the negative 2 and the 3 and get 1 square root of 3. This problem looks a little bit different, but it's really not. We've got the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5 squared. All that means is we need to do the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5 times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5. So here, when you do the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, you get the square root of 4. Square root of 2 times the square root of 5 is the square root of 10. Square root of 5 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 10. And then square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is square root of 25. Then all we need to do is simplify our radicals. So we get square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 10 plus the square root of 10 is 2 square root of 10. And then the square root of 25 is 5. We can combine the 2 and the 5 and we get 7 plus 2 square root of 10. So again, all you need to do is to use the distributive property twice to multiply the radicals and then simplify them. If you have any questions, write them down and bring them tomorrow. Don't forget to fill out the form that follows and make sure that you took notes.